Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create Instagram account on your iPhone. So as you guys can see, I'm using iPhone over here, and before anything, make sure you download Instagram. So you can go to your app store over here and search for Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, you can click on the download button. It's called Get an iPhone. You can click on Get and your Instagram will download. So after downloading your Instagram, click on it. Once you click on your Instagram, this is going to be the first page. Now if you guys have an account, you can enter your username, password, login into it. Now to create an account, at the bottom you can see the sign up button. Click on it and it's going to take you to the sign up page. Over here it's going to ask you to choose a username. Now the username has to be unique to yourself, which means if you type a username which is already taken by other person in Instagram, you cannot use it. So I'm going to enter a common name over here called Ram over here. So it's gonna say already taken. As you guys can see, the username Ram is already taken. So I need to enter a unique name which is unique to myself, and you can put numbers on your name and anything over here. All right, so this name is unique to me. As you guys can see, I got the green tick. Now I can click on next. Now it's gonna ask me to create a password for my account, so I'm gonna create a password for my account over here and click on next. Now after I click on next, on the next step I can click on complete sign up, and I should be able to create myself an Instagram account. But sometimes it's going to show you error, which means like when you try to create an Instagram account, it's not being able to create. All right, so as you guys can see, my account was created over here, so I'm just going to skip it. As you guys can see, my Instagram account has been created. But let's say you wanted to create an Instagram account with your email or your phone number backing it up, so when you lose your account's information, you can use your email to re-log in into your account again. So for that purpose, what you need to do is create yourself a username, create yourself a passport, and where it says add new phone or email, click on it. Now over here you can use your phone number and click on next and verify your phone number, and then that phone number is going to be used on your Instagram. And whenever you lose your passport or you want to back your Instagram up, you can enter your phone number. A verification code is going to be sent to your SMS of that phone number, and you can verify your account. But let's say you want to use your email, you can click on email at the top over here. Once you're over here on email, you can write your email over here and click on next, and just like your phone number, your email is going to be used over here instead of your phone number. All right, so that's for those people who want to link their email and phone number when creating Instagram account. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can create an Instagram account on your iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.